Welcome back to another Skylab Studio tutorial. Today, we're showing you how to use the Hot Folders workflow. Start by clicking on the Hot Folder tab on the menu on the left, and then click on Add Hot Folder Channel. Next, you'll want to name and select the profile for the channel you are creating. Choose from a list of preset profiles for the edits you want to make, or you can choose from your own custom profile. You'll want to select the folder that contains all of the unedited images as the input folder, and then select the folder where you want your edited images to be saved. Please note that these folders must be different from one another. Hit Submit and then start to begin the editing process. You can check the status of your job by clicking View Jobs. If you forget an image, you can add them to the input folder and Skylab will automatically process the new images for you. Catch you on the edited side.